natural hair. You are welcome to another amazing video collections from the stable of Wendy Styles. So guys, I know you've been enjoying these pretty beautiful older women short hairstyle that will be showing to you, but we have a story about a woman who made a mistake about her hair, and I want to share the story with you. It's about the story of Louisa. So Louisa stood in front of her bathroom mirror, surrounded by bottles, serums, oils, creams, sprays, conditioners, growth boosters, edge controls, and what have you. All of these were all lined up in our bathroom. Right now, I can't look more like a beauty store than a home, because she was trying all manner of product, all sort of products she was trying. Now at 52, Louisa had one goal, and that was to bring her hair back to life. Now over the years, the hair has become thinner, right? Weaker and harder to manage. So she missed the fullness she once had, the ease, the confidence, and so she tried all these products. So she did what many women would do, right? Now, how did she start? She tried everything. If it works, then fine, all right? Maybe it will work for, if it worked for someone, that's what she was telling herself. If it works for you, then probably, maybe she watched a video on the Instagram or YouTube. If it works for that beautiful lady, then it's going to work for me. If it worked for that woman that is almost the same age with me, then it's going to work for me. That's what she said to herself. So adding yet another product to her growing collection. So week after week, it's what she was doing. She continued to switch routines. So one day, today, like for example, she can choose to, use a moisturizing line. The next week, she will change to a protein treatment line, and then a new oil everyone was talking about. Probably there's a new trend of oil. She will quickly change to that because she wants to do everything possible to improve the quality of her hair. Now, but instead of improving, her hair got worse, got dried, got brittle, breaking at the slightest touch. Her once soft strands now felt tired, overworked, too many products, right? Now, deep down, Louisa felt this is not how my hair used to look. So one morning she did something. She gently tried to style her. A small section broke off in her hand. Even with no much effort, a small section broke off in her hand. She froze. She was startled. Her heart sank. And then she said to herself, is it too late for me? Have I really damaged my hair this much? At 52, she wondered if she has missed her chance. If she had missed her chance, if healthy hair and the confidence that came with it can ever come back. She sat there, looking at the mirror. All she was seeing was her hair damage, doubt all over her mind. So, if you are following up with this story and you want to hear the part 2 of the story of what actually happened to Lisa, if she was able to revert her hair back, or what is the current situation right now with Lisa, comment part 2 for the story. Thank you very much for being here. Have a wonderful day.
ojú rẹ̀ wá. Àbíkú ti dàbí ẹ̀ nínú